And the race is on. Divine Wisdom, Redemption, Pasensyosa. Ikaw ha, is running by the rail. Evox, Racing MP by the rail is Arithmetic. Pasensyosa by Hapaland, followed by Divine Wisdom. Redemption, Racing Third by a length and a half. And running in fourth by another length is Ikaw ha, as they race the last 700. Pasensyosa followed now by Redemption. Ikaw ha, is running by the rail. On the outside is Divine Wisdom, as they race the last 500. Pasensyosa, Redemption is on the outside, fighting around for the lead. As they race the final corner, it's now Redemption from the outside, this time by about 2 lengths. Pasensyosa, Ikaw ha, is racing on the outside. Redemption, Ikaw ha, is now running in second and nearing the finish line. Redemption, Ikaw ha, and finally Redemption, the horse of Mayor Benher Abalo, second. Ikaw ha, Evox, Pasensyosa, Divine Wisdom, and number 1, Arithmetic.